Right, we're going to perform some preparation tasks to implement database replication. First thing we're going to do is make sure on our SQL B server that we've got replication installed. And so we're going to go to our installation media, go to setup, yes, and right, while we're waiting for that to kick in, we'll come back in a moment, and we're going to go to our SQL A server. And actually we need to be in Management Studio, Object Explorer. We're going to create some databases that we're going to use for replication, and so we are going to create some copies of the AdventureWorks 2012, and we're going to have one for the snapshot replication and one for transactional replication. So go to Tasks, Copy Database, click Next, Next, and yeah, it's going to be on the same server. We need a SQL management copy. Next, and this one's going to be called AdVworks Snapshot REPL replication. Click Next. Gets the package name. You could name that something better if you wanted. We're going to run it immediately and then finish. So off that goes. Let's have a look at SQL B, see where we are. Here we go. So installation, add features to an existing installation, so we click that. Again, that might take a little while, so I'm actually going to kick off another database copy. So we right click, tasks, copy database. It's already going, so I have to wait for that one to finish. So SQL B is setting it up. We also need to make sure that SQL agent is started on both servers. I think I've already done this via a different task. So on SQL A, you can see there that it's started. And then on SQL B, oh, it's actually not started at the moment. That's not working at all. So let's jump to SQL B. And so look, where do I need to go? I need to go to Services. So I go to Server Manager, Tools, Services, and it's SQL B default instance, which is just called MS SQL Server. There it is. So I'm going to start that service. Failed to do a logon failure, so I'm just going to go Properties, Log On, and make sure that that is entered in correctly. Apply. OK. Click OK. Now let's start it. There we go. Go back to SQL A. So refresh this. See, SQL agent has started. So look how we're doing on our installation. Passed all the rules. Click OK. Back to SQL A. Where's our database copy? That's completed, so we need to do another one now. So refresh. Here's our snapshot replication one. Now we're going to make one for transactional replication. So right click, tasks, copy database, next, the local host, destination local host, copy object, click next, call this ADV, works and trans replication. Nope, just the REPL. Click next. Again, package name can be renamed. Run immediately and finish. Copying that back over to SQL B. Just checking for updates. I'm going to skip the scan because I'm not going to be doing any. Click next. Installing the setup files. That'll take its time. Waiting on both of these tasks to finish now. Come on. Need more powerful VMs. Oh, this one's going to do something in a minute. Close that down. Close that down. Here we go. Come on. Still copying the database. So on SQL B, we're just going to be installing the replication feature once it comes back. Checking for rules now. SQL A is still copying the database. Still going. Right, cool. I know those warnings usually come up, so let's click next. Installation type, add features to our default instance. That's right, isn't it? Yep, on the default one. Click next. And we want to install SQL Server Replication. I think that's it. That looks right. So we click next. SQL A, still copying the database. SQL A, still copying the database. Cool. Let's click next. Click next. Click next. It's ready to install. Install. Still copying the database. How about the installation would take longer? It's only replication, so I'm hoping this will be fairly quick. The database is being created, so we've got two databases that we're going to be practicing replication with, the snapshot replication and the transactional replication. Now we're just waiting for SQL B to install replication feature and we'll be done. Off it goes. Let's keep going. After this we're going to be creating some publications for snapshot and transactional replication. That'll be in a separate video, but there we go. So SQL Server Replication has been added as a feature to this server and we've done all our prep tasks for replication.